Well, it is officially October, and you all know what that means. That means it is officially peanut harvest time. Okay, so technically it is peanut season in my fair town, but in this corner of the universe on this YouTube channel, it is time to prepare for Halloween. So over the next 2 weeks, I will be uploading a multi-part video series covering some timely topics. This video series will also be of interest to those of you doing effects work or silicone dolls and medical simulators. The videos are going to be covering some mold making for silicone, casting silicone skins, how to use eye forms, and of course patching, painting, and finishing silicone. Now, in true Biddy Productions form, I'll be also discussing a lot of troubleshooting techniques, some of the different materials you can use, and different approaches, and I'm going to cover some of my mistakes in this process and how you can address those if you run into the same mistakes. Now, I'm going to be revisiting an old costume I made for one of my children years ago, but I'm not going to give away the end result until the final video. Now, originally when I did this costume, I think back in 2013, I didn't have a video explaining this process. I just posted about it on social media with some still pictures. So this time around, we're actually going to do some video content. And stay tuned for the next round of timely videos. And of course, check the end screen. I'll be putting several Halloween-related videos on the end screen, some of my older content dealing with how to make prop hands, and some other Halloween-related content. So again, stay tuned for the next round of videos, and thanks for watching.